Mr. Bishop here talking about game format and serving format while playing tennis doubles. So here we have a court. We have Team AB versus Team XY. We're going to make A the server. So this nice dot there is the ball. And when we look at the doubles tennis court, when we look at the sidelines, we're going to use the outside sideline on each side. So we're going to ignore the inside sideline, except on serves. So when A serves the Team XY, A serves over the net into the opposite court. So it would be this court here. And the reason why I'm circling in this area is because the ball actually has to land in this little square just for a serve. Once the serve has been made and both teams are involved in the rally, the ball can land anywhere on the court as long as it crosses the other team's net and lands on the court or hits the sideline or baseline. A must serve from behind their own baseline on their half of the court. While serving, for every point, A has two chances to make a proper serve. So if the ball gets to the net, hits it, and lands on A and B's side, it's a fault, and A gets a reserve. They have another chance to hit it in the proper square. Another fault would be if A misses the court completely and lands outside of the serving square or in Y side of the court. Now if A ticks the net and it still rolls over and hits the proper side of the court, so X this little serving square, it's called a let. Theoretically, A could do 1,000 lets in a row and it's still okay as long as they don't fault. So a let does not count as a fault, it's just another serve or a reserve. A is our server, so A will serve for the complete game. It doesn't matter if X or Y scores a point or if Team AB scores a point. It does not matter. A keeps the serve for the entire game. Once the game is over, the serve switches over to Team XY for the next game of the series. If there is another game, the serve comes back to Team AB, but because A served in the first game, B will now serve in the second game. After a point is scored, it doesn't matter which team scores, A and B must switch sides. So A switches over here, B switches to A side, and then then A will take the next serve from the side of the court. After that point's scored, A switches back and serves to the side. So it goes back and forth until the game is over. Thank you for listening to my presentation on serving format in doubles tennis.